Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your 0% APR eligibility with Discover easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your 0% APR eligibility with Discover, start by visiting the Discover website. On the home page, look for the credit cards section. Click on the credit cards link to view available options. Scroll down to find the 0% APR offers. Choose the card that interests you and click on it for more details. Read through the card's features, focusing on the introductory APR information. Once you've selected a card, click on the Apply Now button. You will need to enter your personal information on the application form. Provide your name, address, date of birth, and income. Make sure to include your social security number for identity verification. After filling out the form, review your information for accuracy. Submit the application when you're ready. Wait for a confirmation screen to appear, indicating that your application has been received. Discover will evaluate your application and perform a soft credit check. You will receive a response about your eligibility shortly thereafter. If approved, check the details of your 0% APR offer in the confirmation email. If you have any questions, contact Discover's customer service for assistance. Now you're all set to verify your 0% APR eligibility with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.